Hey you guys, do you want to see how I achieved this look with this very easy, quick, simple U-part wig? Keep watching for more details on how I install and did this in only 20 minutes. Alright, this is my relaxed hair for current update from those who've been wondering how my hair's been doing. She's fine. She's been thriving. This is my first official U-part wig, so the things I do in this video, please keep in mind, I'm not a professional. The wig is 250 density, a 22-inch body wave Brazilian, and I believe it's a natural black wig. I don't know if this is right, but I just thought I had to map my way through it, so I just threw the wig on top of my head just to see what it's gonna give. Y'all, please keep in mind, this is my first time putting in the U-part wig, so the things I'm doing, you can do it too, but don't be mad at me if it don't work for you, okay? Also, the cap size of this wig is a medium. It is a little big for my head. I didn't realize it until after I actually braided my hair down and sewed the wig in, which is currently like that now. But this was literally my first time putting it in, trying it on, and going outside, literally. So it worked for this, for sure, because the foundation is not that flat. You don't get to, like, deal with the extra space in the wig. It was at this very moment I realized why the girls usually pull their hair back in a ponytail, because as you seen earlier, I was trying to do like a cornrow, but it was not giving flat. So I just settled for 2 pigtails and crossed them over and tucked them into each other and bobby pinned it down. And I promise you guys, it worked. I didn't have no problems with it. I think I kept this wig in for about 2 days. So yeah. Do you see the joy in my face when I realized, like, I really just threw this on and it looks low-key like a sew-in, y'all? I don't know what to say. I was just so like, wow, my life has changed completely. The girls never told me. Like, I used to do sew-ins all the time in high school, and if I had known, like, this was out here, yeah, I probably would have been on this wagon a long time ago, okay? I'm just so happy. Did I mention I got this wig from Amazon? I don't know if it's still available, but I will try to get the link and put it down below for you guys, okay? I was just really like trying to blend it as much as I possibly can first. I kind of really didn't have that like real much faith in my hair color blending, but it worked out in the end. And after you wet the wig and the curls are like not as prominent, the first fresh curls off the wig is not in it. It blends a lot better when you curl the whole thing. So after watching this video, it looked a mess, but now I got it and I feel like a fish out of water. And then I watched this video. I feel like I never put in a sew-in or done like blend a leave out before. Like I was just so confused. I didn't know what to do, y'all. after all said and done, the hair did not come out that bad. I was overthinking it, tripping, whatever you want to call it. But I liked it. I looked good that night. And I pulled it together just in time.